Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Day Star TV News Time. In this segment, now about the secessionists, the revolutionaries, people when one do revolution, and people when one break up in that country, the agitators, all of them matter. Now him we will talk today. Matter one concern breaking up and revolution. Remember, see, somebody like Nnamdi Kanu, they seek for his own country, that is Biafra. Igboho, they look for Oduduwa. Sowore, they look for revolution. And, and so on and so forth. Sowore, they tell them, say, make them first of all do revolution before breaking up. It makes sense, too much sense. Remember, say, going to 2 years now, Funky don't tell us, say, make all of us come together, unite together, fight this fight together, because whether not to break up, whether not to remain in one Nigeria after the revolution, all of them need to come together, because one particular part of the country no go fit make am. If not only Biafran people, they no fit succeed this thing. If not only the Yoruba people, they no fit succeed this thing. If not only Sowore, you no fit succeed this thing. Because remember, say, people when want to take power from, like I used to say before, those people, then they ready for everybody or anything when won't come out. Then they ready for Biafran people to fight them with everything in their possession. Then they ready to fight Igboho, if not only Igboho, with everything in their possession. Then they ready to fight Sowore, if not only Sowore with his revolution, with everything when they in their possession. Whether not bomb, whether not gun, whether not grenade, then they ready, because they still want their one Nigeria to stitch together. Whether they take the fraud 200 million Nigerian people, because when I know to see Nigeria now their own supermarket. I mean the government of the day, APC and PDP criminals. Now, every time I come tell una, see, una got to come together. If una not come together, all of una go get problems. If Oduduwa not come together with maybe Sowore and then Nnamdi Kanu, they go get problems. They no fit succeed. If Nnamdi Kanu go say, no only me go dey do the same, problem dey, because a lot of people go dey put head together to dey fight the man. So that is why coming together in unity, people when they ask for freedom, because whether na Oduduwa na dey seek for una one day free from Nigerian government, whether na Biafran people una one day free from Nigerian criminal government, whether na Sowore with his revolution agenda himself still want, be free from this criminal government. That is why the whole thing makes sense. See, all of them come together. I remember some time ago when I don't tell them, say, make them come together. Before you know, Sowore and then Nnamdi Kanu, they come meet together somewhere, and at the end of the day, AK Sowore never even land self. They don't arrest Sowore. Say, why go meet Nnamdi Kanu? Why Nnamdi Kanu go meet Sowore? So yeah, then they plan together. Of course, they need to plan together. So, the topic today, we go nyan wetin Sowore they talk. Meaning say, Sowore still wants that revolution. And then Nnamdi Kanu don't they preach about this same revolution. Nnamdi Kanu don't they preach this same revolution. Even before Sunday Igboho pop out from nowhere. Say he won't deliver Oduduwa people. And ladies and gentlemen, now still coming together, now him go make sense for the whole matter. Because if una not come together, una no go fit get this thing. The people when una won't fight, when be the criminal politicians, all of them come together, say now that one Nigeria, then go hold hand. Say then go die put inside that one Nigeria. So all of them come together to they deal with you. All of them come together to they loot your money. All of them come together to they lies to you. So therefore, when one succeed from the country, when they call the zoo, una country of una own, like IPOB people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then Sunday Igboho with his group of Oduduwa members, Oduduwa people, then Sowore with his people, with his men, when be the people of the revolution. Everything still boils down on the same freedom. It makes sense too much. Say all of una come down together. This kind of video, when they make today, I don't make this video more than 6-7 times. They tell all of una say, look, if una one they do like say I too know, this one they do I too know, the other one they do I too know, the other one go say no only me. It go dey very difficult for una to achieve, or for we to achieve what we want. So it is good all of us come together. But today news should already tell all lovers of freedom, both Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, when they fight to liberate their people from Nigerian criminal government, say it better make them do the revolution first. Then after the revolution, then go break up. Remember, once again, Nnamdi Kanu don dey chant the revolution before Sunday Igboho pop out. Now, they don't be 3 giant men, 3 giant forces. So, it make too much sense. This message, once again, they go to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, and with the same Sowore. It make too much sense. Say una come together to fight for this revolution, or say all of us come together to do this revolution together before the breaking up. Because like I Sowore used to say before, if you go now say you want Biafra with the present people when day to day, when be APC and PDP, una just break up like that, you go continue to fight those people inside Biafra land again. That is double fights. You never finish with the one where you don't do before. That is your liberation. Then you go continue to fight the same criminals when make everybody they suffer. The same criminals when they undermine 200 million Nigerian people, which is the APC and the PDP and their fallen angels when they follow them. They do the work, the same thing. Then Sunday go continue to the battle somebody like, you know, this is the Bola Tinubu them, what is the Sanwo-Olu them, what is the Ambode them, what is their people when they for APC and PDP in Yoruba land. The whole governors, they go to battle. Remember, say those people, they hold money to sponsor anything, to scatter all your plan. They still they powerful. If, for example, you do just go like that without doing the revolution, or Biafra just go like that without doing the revolution. So whether they clear everybody say it better make we do this revolution first, then anybody when won't go. People when won't come together will come together after the revolution. And I quite understand the reason why when Sowore they yarn like that. And the reason why when Sowore they yarn like that, Nnamdi Kanu too quite understand. Maybe Nnamdi Kanu get that reason inside his own heart already. How he go do him before in liberating people without revolution. But the Northerners they send on a message now say, no matter how they want to do a revolution or succeed in that country, say blood will flow. Now the things when the Northerners send on that. Now the same way they deceive 200 million Nigerian people, many years they come. We don't debunk them. Tell them say, look, this on our yannings, it not they make any sense anymore to anybody. Even deaf and dumb no go hear that yannings anymore. Because we know say before you succeed this kind of thing, there must be problem. There must be bloodshed. So, coming together, all of una, these 3 giant forces, when we liberate Nigerian people, it make too much sense to fight this fight through revolution first. Because if you not do that revolution, you get problem. Remember, somebody like Okorocha dey Igbo land, then get billions of dollars when you take the sponsor criminals, they sponsor terrorism, they sponsor anything when they want sponsor. Bola Tinubu dey Yoruba land, he go sponsor anything when he wants sponsor. So if we not do this revolution before this liberation, that is before Biafra liberation or Duduwa liberation, wahala go dey. So now the thing when Omo in the show they try tell all of them when they there, one after the other, and it make too much sense. Say una come together to fight these fights. So we go take a look on how Sowore take Nyan waiting in Nyan. And the Nyanings now some few days ago, now in Sowore Nyan this Nyaning. Make we see as it go. Let's have revolution first before we break up. Sowore advises secessionists. Former presidential candidate and human rights activist Omoyele Sowore has advised those clamoring for the breakup of one Nigeria to have a rethink and allow revolution to take its effect before separation. Sowore said, this will discourage those who have destroyed the nation in the time past to prevent their migration to the newly created states. He disclosed this on Friday at a summit with the People's Alternative Political Parties. In his opinion, many Nigerians calling for the breakup of the nation are doing so out of past frustration as a result of the numerous challenges the nation has faced, citing that a new Nigeria is possible. Let there be revolution first, even if we break up, Sowore tells agitators, Sahara reporters. Before the breakup, let's have the revolution first, so that those people who put us in this condition will not have the joy of going anywhere. Sowore wondered how separatists would break the spirit of those who have brought Nigeria to its heel in time past, stating that it was better to allow the revolution to occur before we have a breakup as regions. Everything when Sowore dey Nyan, I quite understand the guy. Everything when in the Nyan, not just nothing but the truth. But nobody know wetin be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu idea. And don't forget, once again, Nnamdi Kanu don dey Nyan about the same revolution when Sowore dey Nyan, which means two of them dey inside the same train, because Nnamdi Kanu don talk say anyhow when everybody take one day free in that country, say he must to support it. And also in don dey call for the revolution so that people will get awareness and people will stand up for the revolution. You know, and Sowore too, all of them, they in the same train. Now only Sunday Igboho now, one never talk about the revolution, but we go dey wait, dey watch, because we know say himself will still dance to the tune of the revolution, because at the end of the day, now revolution go bring about the freedom of everybody. All of them now about freedom. These three giant men they talk about the freedom of Nigeria. Not forget, say now because of revolution now, when make them arrest Sowore, when they arrest them, at the end of the day, they managed to leave the man. Now the man don't bounce back again. They tell him, I say, look, make we do the revolution. And then Nnamdi Kanu is quite supporting the revolution. These people, when put Nigerian people into the problems, when then day to day, so that they no go escape the evil where they don't do to Nigerian people. Like the way where they do Mussolini of Italy. their former minister. All those people when put Nigeria into this mess where they did today, then go receive miscellaneous treatments. Then go receive Mama Gaddafi treatment. Then go receive Saddam Hussein treatment. They know if you go anywhere. They know if you see, even though say they go hide inside that hole when Saddam Hussein hide, millions of people go follow them enter inside that hole. So it is better the revolution. It is better these three giant men come together. Revolution now, Oduduwa people and Biafra people, or Biafran people when be IPOB led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Revolution win all these things. And I don't tell on before. After the revolution, everybody will go their way. People when want to stay together, go stay together. We don't tell on all this since many years they come. If you never watch our video 2 years ago, go back, go the watch. You go hear where they tell and say, look, come together. Unity is more better. Because people, when they oppress you, then they represent very united. All of them sit down on top your treasury. Now unity they cause. If they're not unite, they're not going to APC and PDP, they're not going to control Nigeria up to today. Because of the unity when they inside them, even though say they see them, they come out, watch on television, they do like say that they quarrel. They're not a quarrel. At night, then they go the same bar, then they go the same party, they go drink and dine together. They discuss how they want to deal with Nigerian people, both APC people and PDP people. So people want to do revolution, or people want do their, and when they do agitation of the freedom of their people, that is the Biafran people and the Oduduwa people, the same way una go still take unite to get a tangible result. If this unity they among these three men now, they no go fit still achieve what they achieve, what they want achieve. Because this unity they among them, and I don't tell una say una no go fit do them alone without the support of each other. Una need to support on ourselves to get once again a tangible result. Even now, they cannot do it own. Show what they do it own. Igboho they do it own. It no go work. Because these same people, then go say, they still divide though, they not still unite. The day when go then go see say Showore, Nnamdi Kanu, and Sunday Igboho, then unite. They see say Oduduwa, Biafran people, and the revolution people. They unite. Forget that is the end of this their fake one Nigeria when don't already expired. It already expired since 2014. The day when they will see these three people, they speak in one voice, they are gone. They are finished. So it better make una unite, because when they deal with una, they're not they disunited though. All of them as you see them. You know see now, they waiting PDP talk, now APC will come talk at the end of the day. Then they work together. All of them work together. Even though you see them, like I said before, in Channel television, they blab, they insult each other. At the back doors, at the middle of the night, now the same party that they go, they dine and wine. They go discuss how they want to deal with Nigerian people. If they mess up, we go use army, we go use all security forces to deal with these people. So una better unite. Unity, now they win everything. So we continue. How will you break up the heart of the people who are destroying Nigeria, who will now go back to their various new nation states? The question. So I pleaded that the mistake the British made by not seeking the option of the general public before offering the nation independence shouldn't be repeated. But yes, so he, however, asked that every tribe should consider the big picture of revolution before taking the quantum leap that they are agitating for. He further frowned at the traditions of Nigerians as immortalizing past leaders by naming schools, roads, and lots more after them, who, in his opinion, destroy the nation further stating that unlike Baramusi Babangida, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, the director of WTO, has made Nigeria a super power. So now, after Sowore don yarn wetin him yarn, a lot of people come still come and control weight in his side, because the yarnings when Sowore come and come yarn that very day, when be on Friday, it make too much sense to everybody. That does not mean say we dey condemn anybody when they fight for freedom, because all are still about freedom. We know say three of Nnamdi Kanu na leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. We know say Igboho na leader of the Yoruba people. E good make una come together, because majority they always win. Majority they always win the vote. So na so Sowore talk make una come together. Like I said before, Nnamdi Kanu have been talking about the revolution in the any side. So far, everybody they very, very free, right? But so what I say, talk say it's possible to get a new Nigeria after the revolution. But that does not mean, according to him, that does not mean say if you won't go on your own way like Biafran people, they are own not to leave Nigeria pata pata. Yoruba people, the Oduduwa people, they are own not to leave Nigeria pata pata. So what I go still join them. Anyone when they decide. You know, so the matter be, the Northerners, they go still go their way, go they kill themselves with bombs, with the guns. So one love, everybody. And if you never subscribe to our channel before, you better follow us, subscribe right now. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye.